6:13 this morning, and temperatures actually overachieved a little bit yesterday. I didn't think we were going to tie any records, but it did happen in Brownsville. We avoided the records everywhere else, but Brownsville hit 100, and this was the first time that it's hit 100 on August 19th since 1915, in more than 100 years. That record still holding, but we tied it. Again, the first time that we've tied that record since 1915. So again, another remarkably hot day in the valley. The good news today is it does look like our records are safe. I'm going to be a little more confident today and say that we're going to avoid that. For example, today the record high in Brownsville is 101. If we were to hit 101 in Brownsville, I would be quite surprised. Let's talk about rain over the next week and talk about how we're in better shape than some, but not as good as others. Really becoming a remarkably dry period for the western U.S. High pressure building in there, and they're going to be bone dry the next 7 days. But worth noting, all the locations that are going to see a lot of rain, too much rain. There's going to be flooding in parts of Missouri and Iowa. And then the question is going to be what's going to happen along the Gulf Coast. And it's been a tricky forecast because it's all going to depend on where this wave of low pressure ends up stalling out. Or does it keep moving? The models keep showing something different every day. Does it move in right over Texas? Does it move to the north towards Louisiana? Does it stall out over Louisiana? Does it just keep on moving? It's still a question, and it's mainly going to be for this weekend is where it's going to be going. Right now, if you blend all the models together, it does look like there's going to be probably right now more rain in Louisiana along the northern Gulf than here. But we're still going to get some rain from this system. It's just looking like right now we're not going to see as much rain. Now, this could still change. If that trough was to lean more towards us, these rainfall totals would have to be boosted up. But as it stands right now for the next 7 days, most of us are probably looking at around 1/10 of an inch, 1/4 of an inch of rain, some 1/2 inch totals. Now that said, there are going to be some heavy downpours in spots. If you get right under a thunderstorm, there'll be a few spots that'll see 2 inches of rain, but 2 inches of rain not in one day, over a week. So we're not concerned about flooding. We'll keep an eye. Again, if that trough were to get a little bit closer to us, we could boost all these rainfall totals. But right now, it looks like the flood threat is going to be more in Louisiana than here. But the models are still kind of messy, so we'll have to keep you posted on that. But that's mainly for the weekend. In the short term, I can tell you that the rain chances aren't very big, but they're there. There's going to be a few showers around today, but not much. About a 10% chance of seeing rain. It'll start early this afternoon and then end during the early evening hours. There's not going to be much, though. Most of us are going to stay dry and just see partly cloudy skies. It's still going to be a breezy day with gusts around 20 miles per hour. Highs are going to be around 99. The feels like temperature today, not as bad. 103 to 108. We're not under a heat advisory. Still going to be muggy tonight with lows around 78. It's going to be partly cloudy. Winds dying down to just 5 to 10 miles per hour. The rain chance goes up for tomorrow. A 20% chance of seeing showers and storms. A little bit more cloud cover. The wind's still a little bit weaker. Actually, a day that's not really going to be that breezy. And you got about a 20% chance of seeing showers, storms, and high temperatures back to normal for this time of year. Guys, back to you.